guys know what the sign for perpendicular lines is? It's an upside down T. Fun, fun. Why? That is the sign. The reason that's the sign is if you'll look, those two look like they create what type of angle? Right angle. Perpendicular lines intersect to form a right angle. Also, we can say when two perpendicular lines intersect, two perpendicular lines intersect, four right angles are created. You don't have to own that anymore. It's not out when I start notes. It's out when you were doing this before. Your skin was just as dry 10 minutes ago as it was right now.
Oh, okay.
Got it? No different when I take makeup from girls when they put makeup on the glass.
You is ashy though. I was talking to him.
You shouldn't be talking at all. When two right angles intersect, four right angles are created. Okay? What does that mean? Well, think about it. You drew a picture. Do your best to draw. Now I would like you to do your best to draw two lines that seem to be perpendicular to each other. That make a perfect plus, right? They intersect to form a right angle. If this is 90 degrees, what's the one beside it that makes a straight line with it got to be? Whatever's left out of what? 180. So if this one's 90, what's this one? 90. These two intersect to form a straight line, don't they?
Yeah.
So if this is 90, what's this one?
90.
These are beside each other in a linear pair. If this is 90, what's this?
90.
So you can see how it creates what? Four right angles. If I call this line L and this line M, as far as how we write it and the sign we use, you would say that L is perpendicular to what? M. That's all there is to this section. There's not much more than that. Now make sure you get your worksheet out. Let's talk about a couple of these problems. Yes. Has everyone got the notes written down?
All right, D, shut up.
I would like to remind everyone to have your semester test. You have to keep them all semester. Xerox copies are not accepted. However, if someone is nice enough and trusts you enough to let you take theirs home and copy them, as long as they are neat, each start on a separate sheet of paper, and they're not done so messily that you try to do them in an hour at home over the whole semester, and I can tell that, then you can get full credit. When you're absent, you're supposed to get some notes from somebody. Make sure you get them down. So it's getting to that time, where it's time to start making sure you got them all. And start, about I would say we're almost halfway through here. All right. Well, first of all, let's see what they say to us here. AG is perpendicular to CE. A to G, that's this one right here, is perpendicular to C to E. So that means that this is a what? You see how this is CE? And they just told us those are perpendicular. So that angle is 90, correct?
Yes.
They also tell us that AC is perpendicular to BF. They already have the 90 in there. And point B is the midpoint of AC. Point B is the midpoint of AC. What does that mean? that piece is gonna be the same size as what? That piece. Would everyone agree?
Yes.
Determine whether the following is true or false. Okay, I've written down all the information given to me. Let's see if it's true or false. Angle 1 is equal to angle CBD. Here's angle 1. Is it true to angle CBD?
Yes.
Yes. Because they're vertical angles. Is angle 1 a right angle?
Yeah. No.
Well, here, this line is perpendicular to this
Yeah.
line, so what's
Yeah.
created? Four right what?
Angles.
Four right angles. So the answer is yes. Angles 2 and angle 3 are complementary angles. Angle 2 and angle 3.
Yeah.
Complementary means add to what?
90.
What are 2 and 3 add to?
180.
So this is false. Measure of angle GDF. GDF. All right, I'm going to assume that this is a misprint and this F is supposed to be right here. So let's do that. Okay? I think, they mess up sometimes on these. I think that's a misprint. I don't see why in the world you would have this point out here. Okay? I think that's a misprint. So everybody correct that on your paper quick. GDF plus FDE is equal to 90. Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah, because these two together would be 90 degrees, wouldn't they? Because these two are perpendicular. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 5. Angle 1 is 90 degrees, correct? Is angle 5 90 degrees?
Yes.
So are they congruent?
Yes.
Any questions? You guys think you can do this assignment?
Yes.
No.